Good morning, guys. I'm back on this 242 Yamaha. Did a little bit of grinding this morning on the patch I made, the backup patch. See the white there. So this morning, this is all ready for glass. We've got the deck plate there fitted in. Got this placed in, bonded in, and ground, prepped for fiber. So all this will be ground, glass together. Got all my fiber pieces, not all, but most of my fiber pieces ready and cut. So pretty much ready to rock and roll this morning. Have everything I need and all the time in the world because it's 7 in the morning. And I've been here for like 2 hours. I did all the grinding went on this morning. Hanging out my buddy's stream here until I get mine going. Which I might not do because my wife has doctor's appointments later today. That's why I'm here 5:30 in the morning this morning. So let me get my ass moving. I get my tools out of there. And go ahead and get all this grinding. Glass is done before I go. Like this. Alright, anyways, if you made it this far, made it pretty far, go ahead and subscribe. You'll get notifications for this and other jobs as they progress. I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching.